What does a small YouTube channel actually make a month? Not the highlight reels, not the $10,000 in my first month thumbnail bait. From a channel with under 10,000 subscribers, just getting started with monetization, doing everything right, but starting from the bottom. That's what this video is about. Real earnings, realistic expectations, and the specific things that move the number from $0 to $500 a month and beyond. Welcome back. We cover the honest side of YouTube monetization here. What it really pays, how long it really takes, and what actually works. Subscribe if you want more of that. Let's talk money now. The first thing to understand is that monetized doesn't mean making money immediately. When you first get approved, most channels earn almost nothing. Here's a realistic breakdown. A channel with 1,000 subscribers and around 5,000 monthly views in a moderate niche might earn between $5 and $20 per month from AdSense in its first few months. That's it, and that's normal. This happens for a few reasons. First, not all views are monetized. YouTube ads don't show on every single view. Second, CPM rates vary enormously by niche, time of the year, and audience location. A viewer from the US or UK generates significantly more ad revenue than a viewer from a lower CPM country. Third, new channels haven't yet built the content library that generates compounding passive views. Very important. The path from $5 to $500 a month is very real, but it's not just about AdSense. It's about layering multiple income streams on top of a growing channel. Here's how small channels realistically build toward $500 a month. Stream 1. AdSense, the baseline. As your view count grows, so does your ad revenue. A channel with 50,000 monthly views in a decent niche, say personal finance or tech tutorials, might earn $300 to $800 per month from ads alone. But to get there, you need to keep publishing and growing your library. Stream 2. Affiliate marketing. Often the biggest earner early on. This is where small channels frequently out-earn their AdSense. If you recommend tools, software, or products relevant to your niche and include affiliate links in your descriptions, you earn a commission every time someone purchases through your link. A single well-placed affiliate link for a product that costs $50 with a 30% commission pays $15 per sale. Get 10 sales in a month, and that's $150, often from a channel that's earning $20 from ads. Affiliate income doesn't require a large audience. It requires the right audience. A channel about AI tools can earn hundreds per month from affiliate links to the software it reviews, even with 2,000 subscribers. Stream 3. Channel memberships and super thanks. Once you're in the partner program, you can enable channel memberships. Even at $4.99 a month, 20 members is $100 in recurring monthly income. Super thanks, where viewers tip on individual videos, can add another $20 to $100 a month for an active channel with engaged viewers. Stream 4. Digital products, the long-term play. The most successful small channels sell something: a template, a checklist, a mini course, a guide. This doesn't require a massive audience. It requires a specific audience with a specific problem you've solved. A $27 digital product sold to just 20 people a month is $540. Many small channels hit their first $500 per month milestone, not through ads, but through one well-positioned digital product. Here's what this looks like in practice for a typical small channel. Months 1 to 3. Building toward monetization. 0 YouTube ad revenue. Potentially a few affiliate sales if links are in descriptions from day 1. Month 4 to 5. Monetization approved. AdSense kicks in, likely $10 to $30 per month. Affiliate links earning $50 to $150, depending on niche and CTR. Month 6 to 9. Content library growing. Monthly views increasing. AdSense growing toward $50 to $100 per month. Affiliate income potentially $100 to $300 per month if the niche supports it. Month 10 to 12. First digital product launched. AdSense $100 to $200 per month on a focused growing channel. Affiliate $100 to $300. Digital product $100 to $200. Total approaching or exceeding $500 per month. This is not a guaranteed timeline. It's a realistic one for a creator who posts consistently, chooses the right niche, and thinks beyond AdSense from day one. Based on everything we know about small channel earnings, here's the shortest path. Pick a niche with affiliate potential from the start. Don't wait until you have 10,000 subscribers to think about products to recommend. Research affiliate programs before you record your first video and build them into your content strategy from day one. Prioritize audience quality over audience size. A channel with 2,000 highly engaged subscribers who trust your recommendations will out-earn a channel with 20,000 passive subscribers every single time. Make product-adjacent content. Best AI tools for beginners. Top YouTube tools I actually use. My complete video editing setup. These videos naturally lead to affiliate links and product recommendations. They also rank in search. They're evergreen. They're your fastest path to real income. Build the email list. This one is optional for YouTube, but powerful. Even a small email list of 500 people gives you a direct line to your most engaged viewers, completely independent of the algorithm. When you launch something, a course, a product, a paid community, that email list converts. $500 a month from a small YouTube channel is absolutely achievable. But it requires understanding that AdSense is just one piece of a larger puzzle. Layer your income streams, think about affiliate marketing from day one, and let your content library build over time. If you want a breakdown of the best affiliate programs for YouTube creators in 2026, I have that video coming up next. Like this one if it helped. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there in the next one.